Yes, till now we have studied about lines, line segment, rays. Now we are going to study about the angles. To draw angle or to measure angle, we need to have a special instrument called protractor. Everybody, you are having it, is it, my dear? You are having it, is it, my dear? You have seen it. Now, here certain things you need to notice. The things are, you can see in a protractor you are having two scales. In a left side, the extreme left you have 180 and extreme right you have 0, and in outer is a vice versa. Extreme right you have 180 and extreme left you have 0. So what does it mean? My dear children, it does very clearly mean if you keep your angle at left hand side, you have to follow the inner scale, and if you keep your angle at right hand side, you have to follow the outer scale. According to your question, your book, you can see here you have angle at the inner scale. So you have to see the you have angle at the left hand side, so you have to see the inner scale. So this angle is 60 degrees, is it? This also you see. You have to fix protractor on line. If you fix one protractor at the line and at the point, second will be as it is. You just see it's 110 degree. So it has to be, it's not exactly 110, it's 105 degree. No, 110 degree. So, but here you see, when you measure this, you have to see the outer scale. You just fix here. So outer 130 you have to see, is it? This is 130 degree. So if angle is at right hand side, you have to follow the outer scale. If angle is at left hand side, you have to follow the inner scale. You can see number 1, you can write it in a book itself. You don't need to write it in the copy. Question number 2, where we need to draw these angles using protractor. I'll be showing you how to draw it. Okay, my dear? First of all, you need to take a line which has line segment which has two endpoints, as I have taken A and B. Now you have to draw angle 90 degrees. So I'll be fixing the protractor at A. You just see the way how I fix. This has to be on the point and the line has to be on the line, is it? And then on the at 90 degrees angle, we have to give a point, is it? We have indicated it. Now just we'll be drawing. We'll just join this line. After joining this point, you can see you have a line, straight line here. You can give any name, just I have given C, and this angle is 90. Okay. Similarly, if you need to draw 60 degrees angle, we have to draw a line first. A line segment. As you can see, I have taken a line segment PQ. Now I'll be fixing my protractor at P. Just see, point at the point and line at the line. Then I'll be giving a point 160 degree inner. So here is a 60. I have given a point. Now this point is indicated. Now I'll be just joining this point with P. You can see it is joined and this angle would be 60 degree. Okay. This is the way to construct angle, my dear. Now I'll be showing you if I take right side. This too I have taken angle at left side. So I have used inner scale. If you take the number C is 35 degree. Now here I am going to take angle at right side. Similarly, I have to draw a line segment. Let us draw. I have taken a line segment XY. As I have told you, I will be taking right side. So I will just fix my protractor at Y this time. Now I have to follow the outer scale, though my angle is at right hand side. Now 35 they have told, so it will be between 30 and 40. So this point will be 35. You can see dear, my dear, I have taken point of 35. Let us join it. Now you can see it is joined and this angle would be 35 degree. So this way you have to construct angles. You just try to solve these answers, construct these answers. If there is a doubt, tomorrow you can ask me in live class. Till then,